Spinning Spinstar, spelling word star, casting a bit of magic up your area. Spiraling in new space and time, Spinster has defined herself neither in relation to children nor to men. Self-identified, this whirling dervish, whirling with the movement of creation. Spinning Spinstar, spelling word star, casting a bit of magic up your area. Waste not words. My name's Jann Timms, also known as the Spinning Spinstar, and I'm honoured to be part of the Cave Woman exhibition and representing fans of feminism. And the last performer, Katie, changed the energy in here, and that's what we're doing with these sticks. Spinning Spinstar, animating the energy, keeping things moving. So welcome. Spinstar is a play on Spinstar. She's not just for the 14th century, darling. And a spinster was a woman who span wool and fabric, and she was very clever because she was an unmarried woman of a certain age who sat and got to chat to people all day long while she span and she wove. And very connected to the earth, and usually was a source of talk, not gossip, and also very intelligent. And today we're all going to partake with welcome to the Cave Woman Primal Sounds and sing-along performance. So are you ready? So first of all, let's plant our feet on the earth. The whole of the foot. Feel the energy, the whole of the foot, not leaning forward, not back. And send those roots down to the earth and draw that earth energy up through the body. Then feel the spine flow up and the energy touching the universe and drawing the energy down from the universe. And just let's be loose in our pelvis, drawing that energy up, connected. Chakra fabulous, darling. So we're going to start the sound, the primal sound that pertains to the base chakra is what? What is it? It's symboled by red, a red energy on the etheric body, and the primal sound that goes with that is lam. So draw the energy up, we say lam, and see if we can feel the energy vibrating here. Lam, 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 Imagine a red, orange, or a sunset here, and the word is vam from here. Here, which is yellow. Ram, 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 ram. To the heart center. Hum, 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 hum. Heart center. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 and om, 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 om. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is a fantastic song. You may all recognise it. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. So now we're rooted in the earth. Let's sing let's start to sing. We've got Jane here. A bit more rammy. So after 3, we'll all join in. 1, 2, 3. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain, coming round the mountain, coming round the mountain when she comes. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. She'll be riding 6 white horses when she comes. She'll be riding 6 white horses when she comes. She'll be riding 6 white horses, riding 6 white horses, riding 6 white horses when she comes. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. She'll be shining bright as silver when she comes. She'll be shining bright as silver when she comes. She'll be shining bright as silver, shining bright as silver, shining bright as silver when she comes. She will neither rock nor totter when she comes. She'll be neither rock nor totter when she comes. She will neither rock nor totter, neither rock nor totter, neither rock nor totter when she comes. Oh, we'll all go to meet her when she comes. We will all go to meet her when she comes. Oh, we'll all go to meet her. All go to meet her. All go to meet her when she comes. We will aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. We will kill the old red rooster when she comes. We will kill the old red rooster when she comes. We will kill the old red rooster. Kill the old red rooster. Kill the old red rooster when she comes. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. There'll be joy and fun and laughter when she comes. There'll be joy and smile and laughter when she comes. There'll be joy and smile and laughter, joy and smile and laughter, joy and smile and laughter when she comes. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. She will drive us all to heaven when she comes. She will drive us all to heaven when she comes. She will drive us all to heaven Spinning Spinstar. Don't waste water or precious natural resources. Don't use single-use plastic, please, or wet wipes, which are not biodegradable. Make, do, and mend. Don't be afraid of so-called anger, aggression, or negativity. Take risks. Be your unique self. Avoid manufacturing. Try keep it natural. Be honest. Ask for divine guidance. And ritualize everything. And we vote with every choice we make. So go within and thank you!